Hi, I'm Dad Corbett, and this is the Working Man's Outdoors. Hold. Hold. Good boy, hold. I think I got that one.
I think you did. No doubt about it. No doubt about it.
Bring him here, Luck. Hey, I'm over here, buddy. A little hard to see in the tall grass, huh? Come on, bring him here. Bring him here. Let have. Let have.
Nice bird.
Yeah. Nice bird. About time I hit a rooster.
Well, see, I gave you a break. I got off on this side. I
Right.
put you in position.
Good bird. Good boy. Now, that time he hit.
Yep.
And that's what I like.
Yep. Yeah, he did perfect.
Yeah.
Did what he's paid to do.
He's been a little bit anxious to flush on these others.
Oh, it's such a beautiful day, you know.
Well, yeah. Yeah, and he hasn't hunted this kind of cover all year.
Oh, this is.
So,
Oh, okay.
right. Get him up. Get him up. You got empty air that time.
I've been known to do that.
Whew, good boy. You see what that bird was here?
Yep. Not much of anything.
Right. Come on, bring him here. Yeah. And I couldn't see him,
Oh, no.
but you saw Lucky lock on him.
You bet.
Come on, bring him here. Come on, bring him here. Lucky. Lucky, quit playing with my dinner now. Lucky, quit playing with my dinner and bring it to me. Thank you.
It is.
Yes. But you know, it's been a great day, and just look at all the beauty behind us.
Yep.
These beautiful mountains of northeastern California.
This is what it's all about. It's what it's all about. Most any direction you look,
Is
there's
yeah.
snow-capped mountains. Yep.
Well, someday maybe I'll grow up and move up here.
Yeah, you got Miller Mountain. Clear in the distance, there's two of them. A little peak and a big peak.
Yep. And you look over here, you got
Big
Shasta
Hill.
and Chastina.
Yeah, Shasta and Black Beauty and Mountain Eddie.
Yep, just gorgeous. I could do a whole film on just, you know, how pretty it is.
Well, that's the truth.
But, you know,
Not many places like it.
nope. Of course, I hunt all in Northern California, so I see most of it. But this is just one of the most beautiful clubs to hunt.
It is nice.
Well, I think we better go back to the truck, take the birds up, get them tagged, and
Sounds like a end of a good day.
oh, it's been a fantastic day, and I thank you again, John. You're
Thank you, Dan.
a pleasure to hunt with.
Thank you.